I'm back in my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for supporting my channel. I have got above 1000 of views in a week. Again, I thank you those who have liked, shared, commented and subscribed my channel. Keep on supporting my channel. I'll give my best out of it. So let's move on to the next recipe. Today's recipe is rice flour balls in mutton gravy. So the things we did are quarter kg of mutton. Quarter kg I have taken. I have boiled and kept. In this I have added turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I have boiled this and kept. And chili powder we need for that, turmeric powder again, salt, coriander powder, 2 medium sized onions. You can take large size also if you want gravy type. 2 medium sized tomatoes, 1 handful of freshly cut coriander leaves, 1 handful of mint leaves. I have taken 2 chilies cut into half. I have taken ginger garlic paste. I'll tell you how many teaspoons we have to use when we are cooking. I have taken spices, that is cinnamon, cloves and cardamom, and I have taken a bowl full of coconut milk, thick coconut milk. And with this, I'll take 1 full bowl of oil, and I have made the flour ball. I have made the flour balls like this, in this shape. You can see. And if you don't get in this shape, we can make in round shape. In this rice flour, I have taken this brand. You can take any brand also. It's not like that you have to take only this. I have purchased this out only. 1 packet I have taken. I have added hot water and 1 teaspoon of salt in this. I have kneaded the dough and I have rolled and kept like this. In round shape also you can make. Otherwise you can do like this shape also. This shape I'll tell you how to make. Now you can keep a small ball size of rice flour ball in your palm. Apply some oil before that, and with this palms you have to roll it like this and you have to press it. That's it. You will get shape like this. So you can do in any of the shapes. Now let's move on and see how to make this rice flour balls in mutton gravy. Now I have taken a big pan. I am heating this. Now I have taken a bowl full of oil. Small bowl I have taken. I have kept some little oil in that bowl itself. We will check while cooking and then we will add. Let the oil gets heated up. We will add the spices which we have taken. I have added the spices. Now I am adding 2 onions. 2 large onions I have taken. I have cut this in pieces. I am adding this. Let the onions be fried in the oil. It must be in golden brown. Then we will add the other ingredients. Now the onions have become brown. Now at this stage we will add the ginger garlic paste. I have added 1 teaspoon in the mutton also, and in this I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let this be fried nicely till the raw smell goes off. The raw smell has to go off, and then only we will be adding the other ingredients. Now to this, I am adding the green chilies, 2 green chilies. I have cut this in half and kept. I am adding that. This gives a nice aroma when we fry this in oil. Now after this, I am going to add the mutton, 40 kg of mutton in this. With the soup, I am adding. Let this be for 5 minutes. Then we will add the tomatoes and the other ingredients also. After adding the mutton, I am adding the masalas also. 1 teaspoon of chili powder I am adding. If you want more spicy, you can add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder I am adding, and half a tablespoon of salt I am adding because I have added in mutton also. Only half a teaspoon I am adding. Now let the raw smell go off. We will fry this nicely. Let the raw smell go off, and then we will add the tomatoes, mint leaves and the coriander leaves. Now after 5 minutes, I am removing this. The raw smell has gone. Now to this, we will add tomatoes. 2 small tomatoes I have taken. Add into that. And with this, I am adding a handful of mint leaves, a handful of coriander leaves. Now we will keep this for another 5 minutes. Now let the tomato be smashed in this. We will keep for another 5 minutes, and then we will see. Now after 5 minutes, we'll see. Now look, all the ingredients have been nicely mixed up with the mutton. All the things have been nicely fried up. It's giving a nice smell, good smell. To this stage, we will add the coconut milk. 1 bowlful of thick coconut milk I have kept. I'm going to add this. And then to this, we will add water. I'm adding water also in this. I have added 1 liter to this, 1 liter of water to this. Now let this be nicely boiled. The water should be boiled nicely. Then only we are going to add the rice flour balls. For 10 minutes, we will leave the water to be boiled. Check for the seasoning. Mine is too less. I am adding another 1 tablespoon of salt in this. I've covered this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the water is nicely boiling, and to this, I am adding the rice flour balls. Put these balls very carefully. Should not be broken. So please see to that. Now see, I have added this. Don't shake with the, don't mix this with the spatula. Just do like this and give a nice shake so that it doesn't get stick to the pan. And one more thing I am telling you, This recipe should be done in big vessel, not in small vessel. If you use small vessel, it will get rot. So please be careful. Take a big vessel, take a big pan and then cook this. We will now leave for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will remove and see. Now after 15 minutes, have been cooked very good. Delicious smell is coming. Now keep the flame low and for another 5 minutes we will keep. Keep the flame in low. After 15 minutes, you have to keep the flame low for another 5 minutes and then we can serve after 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, let's see, fully cooked. Look at my balls, rice flour balls. The oil is correct in this. It is in gravy type, should not be too thick. If you eat these balls with the gravy and the mutton, it will be very good. So now let's take this and serve it in a bowl. I have transferred this in a dish and now I am topping it up with some coriander leaves. Now my rice flour balls in mutton gravy is ready to be served hot. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. It's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com.